In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the voice chat feature in PUBG Mobile is not working. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open PUBG on your iPhone, and after that just tap on the arrow icon over here. Then go to Settings. Now from here just scroll down and look for the option of Audio and Haptics. Now on this page, just look for the option for the microphone and for the speaker. Now if the slider for the microphone or either for the speaker is on low, just set it on max from here. Now after you increase the slider for the microphone and for the speaker, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to a match in PUBG Mobile. Now after you go to a match, then just tap on the microphone icon over here and select continue. Now just tap on allow and tap on OK. Then tap on the microphone icon again. Now from here, you can either select team or you can select all. And also just do the same for the speaker. Just tap on the speaker icon, and if it is on none, just select the team or you can select all. And after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen. And from here, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. And from this app list, just look for PUBG Mobile. After you find PUBG Mobile, then just tap on it. Now if the toggle for microphone has been disabled, just enable it from here. After that, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just check if there is any update available for PUBG Mobile or not. If there is any update available, just update it from here. After you update the game, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now, if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings and tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if Content and Privacy Restrictions has been enabled on your iPhone, now from here, just look for the option for the microphone. Now, if it is on Don't Allow Changes, just select Allow Changes. And also, if the toggle for PUBG Mobile has been disabled, just enable it from here. Then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, now if you're using any headphones while you're playing PUBG Mobile, just turn it off or disable it, because the microphone of your headset might be broken, and this is why you might be facing issues with the voice chat. So just turn off the microphone and check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then the last thing you can do is just uninstall the PUBG Mobile app and reinstall it. Now just tap and hold on the PUBG Mobile app and select Remove App. Then select Delete and tap on Delete. After you delete PUBG Mobile, then just go back to App Store and install PUBG Mobile again on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can fix if the voice chat feature in PUBG Mobile is not working on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.